This is the North 40 trail on the Bar M trail system. And this is kind of a, I guess I'd say an intermediate, maybe a high intermediate trail. Past 2 days, rode on Dino and also Jurassic 2 days ago, and then yesterday rode the easy and lazy trails a couple of times. And that's just to kind of, help get me back in the flow of riding again. I haven't done any single track riding in quite a while. And of course there are some areas that, of course, I always need to work on. And one of those is going uphill. And then in the past I would try to do that sitting down, and of course you don't have the leverage. And so I've been kind of working on standing up while going uphill, and then also balancing between the front and rear tire, trying to maintain enough traction on the rear tire, but also having enough or light enough on the front end where you can go over obstacles. And the jumbled rock tends to give me a lot of problems, at least it certainly did on the first day on Dino. This trail has jumbled rock, but it also has this kind of more of a flowy type flow to it, at least in certain sections, and I definitely love the flowiness of it. And as you can see, well, it's a spectacular location to be riding in, so it's pretty awesome to be here, and just having some fun and enjoying the riding, and just trying to kind of work the rust off while you're here in a such a stunning environment. So pretty cool.